TESDA banner high. With our partners we serve, ever proud and tall. From day to day we strive to address the needs of our labor force. Provide the skills that open doors. Excellence in world-class work. Access to success for everyone. With the power of information, proper values and education, to the hands that build the nation, doing it the TESDA way. Rain or shine, we keep alive the hopes and dreams of workers throughout this land.
A few moments later.
Kung hirap ka sa iyong buhay, salat sa kita, laging matamlay. Kami narito, handang umalalay. Tumawag ka lang, aming kaibigan. Pagkat aming abot lahat, mamanggagawang Pilipino, sa may kanayunan at sa kabundukan. Magparamdam ka lang, kami nandyan na kaibigan. Abot ng TESDA, ng TESDA ang iyong probinsya.
Hinto ka muna, pupunta ako sa posisyon na yun. So, 1, 2, 3.
Okay guys, so let's...
Kung hirap ka sa iyong buhay, salat sa kita, laging matamlay. Kami narito, handang umalalay. Tumawag ka lang, aming kaibigan. Pagkat aming abot lahat, mamanggagawang Pilipino, sa may kanayunan at sa kabundukan. Magparamdam ka lang, kami nandyan na kaibigan. Kung hirap ka sa iyong buhay, sa pagkat aming abot lahat, mamanggagawang Pilipino, sa may kanayunan at sa kabundukan. Magparamdam ka lang, kami
Yan.
nandyan. Abot ng TESDA, ng TESDA ang iyong probinsya. Ika'y mangarap kahit na mahirap. Kung tagumpay ang iyong pangarap, magsanay ka at huwag mong sayang panahon mo. Di kaibigan, abot lahat, mamanggagawang Pilipino, sa may kanayunan at sa kabundukan. Magparamdam ka lang, kami nandyan na kaibigan. Abot ng TESDA, ng TESDA ang iyong probinsya.
Hello guys, I am PELICANO, Diploma in Electrical Engineering Technology Scholar. Today, I will going to share what I have learned on TESDA. Because of TESDA, I learned motor control, pneumatic system, hydraulic system, under the subject of mechatronics. Thank you, TESDA. For today's video guys, I will going to show you how a pneumatic system works. But before that, let me discuss what are the components of a pneumatic system. First, we have air compressor. The purpose of air compressor is compressing the air to increase the pressure. Dito rin nanggagaling sa air compressor yung hangin na nag-activate dito sa cylinder. The air compressor is automatically on and off because we have what we call pressure switch. The purpose of the pressure switch is once na naabot na ng air compressor ang kanyang maximum pressure, it will automatically stop. And likewise, kapag bumaba naman yung pressure niya or naabot na yung kanyang minimum pressure, it will run again. We have also what we call air dryer. The purpose of air dryer is collecting the moisture or dust coming from the tank. We have also what we call directional control valve. We have two types of directional control valve. The one is manually control valve and the solenoid control valve. Today we are going to use a solenoid control valve. The purpose of this solenoid control valve is changing the flow of compressed air. Like when we are going to energize the coil A, this port will open and the compressed air will go into this port, that pushing the piston, and there will be an extension. Likewise, when we are going to open the coil B and energize, this port will open and the compressed air will go into this port and there would be an retraction happen. And also we have the power supply, the controller, and the pneumatic cylinder. So now we are going to try to use this solenoid. Let's energize. Okay. So while ago I said that when you are going to open the coil A or energize, and let's see. Okay, just that what happened. And when we are going to energize the coil B, the pressure from this port will go into this port. That will cause what we call retraction. So let's now proceed to the hydraulic system. This is the part of an hydraulic system. We have the what we call hydraulic pump, hydraulic tank. We have here the two types of control valve. This is the solenoid control valve and the manually operated control valve. We can change the flow of fluid by energizing the coil. When we are going to energize the coil A, the oil will go here and here, push the piston, and we can have the what we call extension. Likewise, when we are going to energize the coil B, the flow of hydraulic oil will go here and here. At ngayon, magkakaroon naman siya ng tinatawag natin retraction. So ito naman yung tinatawag natin manually operated switch valve. We can control this by manually switching the lever. This is how it works. So I will now energize the coil A. As we can see, there is an extension. And when we are going to energize the coil B, that is what we call retraction.
Hirap ka sa iyong buhay, salagsakitan, laging matamlay. Kami narito, handang umalalay. Tumawag ka lang, aming kaibigan. Abot lahat, mamanggagawang Pilipino. Sa may kanayunan at sa kahundukan, magparamdam ka lang, kami nandyan na kaibigan. Abot ng TESDA, yung probinsya. Ika'y mangarap kahit na mahirap, kung tagumpay ang iyong hanap. Magsanay ka at huwag mong sayangin panahon mo, aming kaibigan. Pagkatapos abot lahat, mamanggagawang Pilipino.
1 minute 37 seconds later.
Right, action. Isa pa.